Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we're diving deep into D-Wave Quantum. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 6th of June, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked D-Wave Quantum as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 6.15. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 78.69% since we first identified D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate just 21 days ago. This translates to an average return of 3.75% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a strong and broad upward trend in the short term, suggesting that a further increase is likely. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 102.14% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 12.65% to 124.73%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 180.83%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 17.09% and 194.78% over the upcoming year. This analysis suggests that the future price could fall between $21.80 and $54.89. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum includes the headline, High Volatility in D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock price on Friday, which ended trading at $18.62. The D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock price gained 13.05% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, rising from $16.47 to $18.62. During that trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 15.56%, with a low of $16.26 and a high of $18.79. The price has increased in 5 of the last 10 days, but remains down by 2.21% during this period. Volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, signaling a positive technical sign, with a total of 14 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 80 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.49 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $19.77, while the lowest price was 75 cents. Currently, the price is 5.79% or $1.15, below the 52-week high of $19.77, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. D-Wave Quantum stock, symbol QBTS, surged an astonishing 1,281% following the company's demonstration of real-world quantum supremacy. With its Advantage 2 system, this major breakthrough in quantum computing significantly enhances the company's position in the enterprise market, suggesting that QBTS could be a game-changer in high-complexity problem-solving. The broader climate for quantum computing is also positively shifting. Historical trends indicate that despite recent market volatility, the tech sector, particularly quantum technology, has shown resilience, outperforming traditional benchmarks like the S&P 500. The strong performance of D-Wave over the past year, with shares climbing over 1,150%, highlights the potential for significant investment returns in this space. Additionally, institutional interest is surging, with notable investments from major organizations, such as the second-largest U.S. pension fund, demonstrating confidence in the company's long-term growth prospects. This influx of capital can further enhance stock liquidity and stability. In the short term, the explosive stock price reaction to D-Wave's breakthroughs could attract speculative traders, potentially leading to heightened volatility. However, in the long term, sustained enterprise adoption and continued innovation may position D-Wave Quantum as a critical player in the tech landscape, solidifying its status and enhancing share value as the quantum revolution progresses. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy rating with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned QBTS a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned QBTS an overweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned QBTS a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned D-Wave Quantum stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there's a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average exceeds the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at $17.19 and $11.83. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially affecting short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, May 22, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 2.21%. A further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots signaled a sell 11 days ago. Bollinger suggested a buy 79 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 3 days ago. Meanwhile, the long-term moving average indicated a buy 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also suggested a buy signal 22 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 23 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 33 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 152 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $17.55 and $16.56. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this instance, D-Wave Quantum Inc. has support just below today's level at $17.55. Should this level be broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $16.56 and $15.36. This stock may experience significant fluctuations during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be very high risk. Over the past day, the stock has moved $2.53 between its high and low, representing a change of 15.56%. Throughout the last week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 10.48%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates at negative 0.07. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for D-Wave Quantum is at $18.80. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, D-Wave Quantum encounters its first support level at $17.55. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Diane Nguyen, who bought and sold 144,017 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 30.259. In total, insiders acquired 45,739,834 shares and sold 87,114,739 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $17.86, representing a decline of 4.06%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which translates to significant risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 10 days ago. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a good buy? D-Wave Quantum Incorporated shows several positive signs and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it is a favorable option at these levels and anticipate further gains in the upcoming 3 months. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold accumulate to a strong buy recommendation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, June 9th, we expect D-Wave Quantum to open lower by 73 cents and stop trading at $17.89. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. It is important not to base your investment choices solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.